Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to declare a function in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So I'm here in PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, so I'm using Zorin Linux, an alternative to Microsoft Windows. Okay, so to declare a function, we use the keyword dev my underscore function name, and then we close and then colon. So I have here a simple, this is an example of a function in Python print. To call a function, simply call the name of the function and open and close parentheses. So we have here the output. This is an example of function in Python, no? So let's say for example, I will change the text. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, when I run, so we have here the output. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition. That's it. One of the things that I would like to teach you guys is that in Python, it is a case sensitive language, no? So for example, I try to make this text bigger. Okay, as you can see, it generates an error. It should be uniform. Okay, small letters. Automatically, it will correct itself. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare a function in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.